Welcome to Fix MEP. Today, we'll cover the basic principles of air conditioning systems. Let's get started.
Effective HVAC design begins with the vapor compression cycle, leveraging phase change thermodynamics to transfer heat against a temperature gradient. In direct expansion systems like VRF, refrigerant directly cools the process air. This minimizes heat transfer interfaces, offering high sensible heat ratios and modular scalability for medium load applications. Conversely, chilled water systems utilize water as a secondary medium. Centralized chillers reject heat to cooling towers, while AHUs and FCUs manage zone-specific loads, essential for large-scale infrastructure like airports and high-rise towers. While DX offers lower capex, chilled water systems excel in part load performance and load diversity. Precision and COP calculation is vital for optimizing long-term energy density in high-occupancy environments. In the Gulf, MEP engineers must account for extreme ambient derating and latent load management. System selection depends on balancing peak shaving capabilities with maintenance complexity in harsh climates.